pick this thing up, man. It's beautiful. Those little footers coming out. Footer right out of there. I want to see him pick it up again. I had his hard hat inside the... He dropped it, I picked it up and I'm gonna give it back to him. I want to see him pick this up, guys. Watch how beautiful it is. Pick that footer up. There you go. Grab hold of it on the side. Nope, the cable. Got the just trying to use the concrete to pop the rebar. Boom. Still attached. Still attached. And a little longer. It's still there. Pulling it off. It's right there. Find the edge of it. Now he's got it. Right there, there's the edge of it. Beautiful. There's the footer, just lift right up. Oh, so a trench was dug along the side here. That's in the previous videos you guys can see. This machine's getting a thumb on it. This one I'm on now. Going to get a thumb on it the next couple of days or so. Now, that's a little thumb. Well, thumb claw. Beautiful. left an empty truck. Gotta fill it. But anyway, one's already filled. So one guy's just switching out right now. Had a couple of trucks earlier, a couple of drivers, but now just end of the day, one guy will switch out, go home, and in the morning that truck will be ready for him. That way, you're not waiting for a truck to fill up in the morning.